Welcome to Old Coins World, my channel. A coin from 1981, a legacy untold. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another captivating deep dive into numismatic treasures. Today, we journey into the world of copper and history, exploring the iconic 1981 1-cent coin of the United States of America, bearing no mint mark and preserved in fine condition. But this isn't just any penny. This is a symbol of an era, an overlooked fragment of the past now being reevaluated for its potential market worth, its rare traits, and a collectability that continues to amaze coin hunters around the globe. So, fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to uncover the astonishing story, era variations, copper metal transition rumors, and today's market value in U.S. dollars of this vintage coin. Historical backdrop: America in 1981. 1981 was a year of dramatic transformation. Ronald Reagan had just taken the presidential oath. The economy was reeling under inflation, yet the spirit of a nation remained bold. In this setting, the U.S. Mint in Philadelphia, producing coins without a mint mark, struck hundreds of millions of 1981 Lincoln cents. They were everyday change for Americans, used for bus fares, bubblegum, and phone calls, never realizing that 40 years later, some of these humble coins would be the subject of viral videos and hot online auctions. Composition and design: a closer look. The 1981 penny features a classic Lincoln obverse, designed by Victor David Brenner. The same design first introduced in 1909. On the reverse is the Lincoln Memorial, engraved by Frank Gasparo. But here's where things get interesting. 1981 was one of the last full years where most Lincoln cents were still made from 95% copper and 5% zinc, just before the official switch to copper-plated zinc in late 1982. This gives 1981 cents a distinct weight, 3.11 grams, making them heavier than their modern counterparts. This copper content alone makes the coin more valuable than 1 cent in metal melt value. But that's just the beginning. The no mint mark mystery. Coins minted in Philadelphia carry no mint mark. That's why the 1981 cent from this facility lacks one. Some people mistakenly believe this makes it a rare variety. While it's technically common, the condition and potential errors change everything. There are a few instances where 1981 cents without mint marks contain unique errors or striking anomalies, giving them huge appeal to collectors. Rare errors and die varieties. This is where the treasure lies. Among millions of circulated coins, a few 1981 pennies have been discovered with double die obverse, DDO, errors. These occur when the coin's image is imprinted twice, causing visible doubling in inscriptions like, "In God We Trust" or "Liberty." Another error collectors seek in 1981 cents includes off-center strikes, BI errors, where a die crack creates an I between B and E in Liberty, CUD errors, raised blobs near the rim due to die breaks, die clashes, ghost images from the reverse showing on the obverse. These errors can make a 1-cent coin worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Market value in today's coin scene. Let's talk numbers. A 1981 no mint mark penny in fine condition F12 is extremely rare. However, the value has gradually appreciated, especially due to its copper content. In today's market, 2025, fine F12 condition, 5 cents to 10 cents. Extremely fine EF 40-15 cents to 25 cents. Uncirculated MS 60 to MS 65-50 cents to $3. Proof-like condition, or with DDO/rare error, $20 to over $1,000, depending on certification and rarity. Auction houses and platforms like eBay have seen certified DDO error coins from 1981 sell for up to $1,200. Even without errors, the metal melt value of the copper is about $0.025 to 3 cents, but selling it for melt is illegal in the U.S. under current laws. Collector's sentiment: why people want this coin. Collectors are fascinated by coins that straddle two eras, and the 1981 penny does just that. It's a symbol of the end of the copper era, of a simpler time. Many want it for pre-1982 copper stack collections, Lincoln cent date runs, educational error coin examples, investment in bulk copper pennies. Online communities often encourage sorting through rolls of pennies to find 1981s, especially in better condition or with errors. Authentication and grading. Grading plays a huge role in determining a coin's market value. NGC and PCGS are the most respected coin graders in the U.S. If you think you have a 1981 penny that looks special, whether through a crisp strike, luster, or odd doubling, consider sending it in for certification. Here's a tip. A PCGS graded MS66RD 1981 no mint mark penny sold recently for $250, showing that even common coins can command high prices when they are in mint state and slabbed. Real sales and viral auctions. From eBay to heritage auctions, here are some real 1981 no mint mark penny listings. DDO Error, 58 Australian dollars, sold for $850. MS66RD slab by PCGS, $270. Fine condition, bulk sale of 100 PCS, $15 to $20. Off-center strike, $90. These sales demonstrate that condition plus error plus story equals value. And that's what drives viral videos and online interest. Final thoughts. Should you keep or sell? Here's the big question. Is your 1981 1-cent coin without mint mark worth holding on to? If it's in fine condition, its resale value may be modest, but the potential to find a rare error or high-grade specimen among your coins makes it worthwhile to look deeper. If it's an error coin or MS condition, you may be sitting on a hidden gem worth grading and auctioning. In conclusion, the 1981 Lincoln cent is more than a penny. It's a copper capsule history, still whispering secrets and carrying value in today's collector market. Bell closing segment with CTA. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more hidden coin stories, and tell us in the comments if you've ever found a 1981 penny with a rare feature. This has been your ultimate guide to the 1981 1-cent coin from the United States of America. No mint mark, fine condition, and who knows, your next penny might just be worth a fortune. Stay curious, stay rich, and keep collecting.